in today's video I'm going to be detangling my natural hair after 8 months. And if you've not seen my last video where I took down my 8 months mini braids, go check it out. And as you can see, I lost a lot of hair and my hair is very tangled and matted, as you can see. And I'm going to be using okra for the detangling process. All right, so after cutting the okra, I added a little bit of water and let it simmer on low heat for somewhere around 7 minutes, nothing more than 8 or 10 minutes. And I let it cool and then I blended it, and this is what it looks like after the blending process. And this is me trying to sieve away the shafts. So once I was done prepping the okra gel, I added into this water bottle container and I pierced the cap so I could use it as an applicator bottle. So I'm just going to quickly wet my hair a bit and start the application process. I had to part my hair first into 6 sections before I proceeded with the application. All right. This whole process can be very messy, okay, as you can see. So I just kept applying the okra gel to my hair and massaging it into my strands. And after that, I'm going to start the detangling process using my hands first before I can go in with my white tooth comb. And this okra detangler can serve as a pre-poo treatment for your hair, okay, because okra has a lot of benefits for natural hair. Some of the benefits include it provides moisture and nourishment, and it has amino acids and other vitamins that keep your scalp clean and healthy, and a lot of other benefits, okay. I'm just going to keep working the okra into my hair and also detangling my hair from the ends using my fingers, okay. And once I encounter any difficult knots, I just cut it off with scissors. I try to be gentle for the most part of this video, and this whole detangling process took me a day as expected, considering how long I had my hair in without detangling, okay. I kept applying the okra gel as I went further into my hair. Once I felt like there wasn't enough sleep, I applied more, and once I was done finger detangling, I started combing the hair from the ends bit by bit, as you can see. And I struggled to comb out my hair at some point, as you can see me using all the strength I have to do this combing, okay. And this is not even something that is new in my natural hair journey. And once I was done detangling, I just twisted the hair back and set it aside. I finished up the front section of camera and starting to detangle the back section, and I had to spray water because I felt my hair was dry, and I started the application process. I don't know if you can see how this okra gel defines my hair. I shall continue the detangling process, as you can see. After detangling, I combed till it got easier to comb. Then I knew my hair was properly detangled. Then I twisted and moved on to the next section. And my hair kept shedding and breaking, I don't know which one, for a while. And I used a lot of shea butter when I was taking down this braid, so that's what you're seeing. Okay, so I'm done with this side of my hair, and as you can see, my hair looks very detangled, and even my roots are clearly detangled. Okay, and I went ahead to finish this off camera and washed my hair, and this is what my hair looks like, the twist. Okay, I think I have a little bit of the okra in my hair. I don't know, I'm not sure. Anyways, this is what I look like after I took down the twist, and my hair is still very oily and dirty. Okay, and so that will be all for this video, and I'll see you in my next video where I'm going to be doing my clay mask detox. And bye.